I'm Lorelle Horder and I reached out to MPH because I wanted to go on a bodybuilding stage. Since working with MPH at 39 years old, I have achieved the best body of my life. I figured out that to get your own health at an optimum level, you needed to be selfish about it and you needed to start putting yourself first. And the reason I chose to do bodybuilding is because it is seen as a selfish sport, benefited everyone around me and all my family. Since working with MPH, I have achieved the biggest confidence of my life, the best body of my life. I can't thank MPH enough, and Dana, my personal trainer, enough for what I've achieved for a year of being with MPH. I would recommend MPH to anyone looking for any fitness goal to come to MPH because they have systems in place that they personalise to your own goals.